Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right file and view. Open PowerPoint and confirm you have the zoom feature in Insert. Once done, decide which zoom type you need: summary for an overview, section zoom for grouped slides, or slide zoom for single slide focus. Make sure your presentation has logical sections or prepared slides. This avoids rework. Now, click Insert Zoom and choose the option you planned. This first step places the interactive zoom object on your slide so you can control navigation. Once your zoom placeholder appears, select the slides or sections you want included, then insert them. Next, use zoom tools that open automatically. Resize thumbnails, arrange them, and use the Format tab to add borders or captions so viewers know where each jump goes. Make sure to enable or disable return to zoom depending on whether you want to come back to the hub. Also, tweak the transition and background settings so the zoom feels smooth and consistent with your theme. To finish, run the slideshow and click each zoom tile to verify it jumps and returns as expected. Test animations and timing while playing. If a jump lands on the wrong slide, edit the zoom and reselect the correct target or delete, and recreate that zoom object to clear corrupted links. Save a backup copy and ensure Office is updated. Compatibility mode or outdated builds often cause misbehavior. That single troubleshooting tip, recreate a misbehaving zoom, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.